Dietary fat plays a functional role in providing flavor, tenderness, lubricating mouthfeel, and appealing appearance to foods, just to name a few food science properties. However, fats have more than double the energy value compared with carbohydrates and protein on a per gram basis. Here are some tips to cut back on the fat, but not on taste. After browning ground meats, use a strainer lined with paper towels to remove some of the juices. You may also want to consider adding finely chopped vegetables to ground meats to increase the volume and lower the energy density. When making gravies, consider using a tablespoon of starch with a cup of room temperature broth by shaking them together in a jar. Heat the remaining broth and add the blended liquid while simmering until it is thick. Consider making scrambled eggs or omelets with only one yolk per portion, and add extra egg whites or substitute to the batch. For creamy salad dressings, consider mixing them with plain low-fat yogurt to increase the number of servings you get out of each container. Herbs and spices are also a great alternative to add rich flavor and variety to your foods. I'm Dr. Santo, and this has been your LVB Minute.